Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, as of now, I'm definitely still looking at this as most likely going up and either making a running flat or a expanding flat wave C. I'm definitely leaning towards expanding flat because I think it should take out these previous highs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this right here as a wave 1. I think this is a WXY correction for a wave 2. I'm still looking at this move up right here as potentially being a subdivision of a wave 3 that should continue to make higher highs, higher lows. Going down to the daily time frame, does look like we have a pretty significant pullback starting, as you can see, which it kind of makes sense because we just recently took out the high wave B, which is exactly where a wave 1 subdivision normally does end. Now, we don't technically have a breaker structure to the downside yet, but it kind of looks like with how impulsive down it is probably is going to end up making a much bigger correction, maybe something like that, maybe a wave 2, and eventually back up for a wave 3. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely have not broken structure to the downside yet, but looking at other correlated dollar pairs, some of them have, and we definitely are all the way down to the 78% with a move that looks very impulsive, which makes me think that this move down is actually just a wave A of a bigger correction. Probably the next move up will be a wave B. It will not be the continuation of the uptrend. Then we'll probably get at least one more push down for wave C before it really does end up continuing back up. Still a correction, I just think it's going to be a bigger correction. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is definitely a trend right here. This is definitely not a correction anymore. This is for sure like a 1, a 2. Definitely looks like a big wave 3. Most likely it needs to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to end off this wave A. And most wave A's do take out the lows, so I wouldn't be surprised if it did stretch out a little bit more just to take out the lows. Probably a wave A of maybe wave 2 on the higher time frames, which, like I was saying, that means that the next move up is not going to be the continuation of the uptrend. The next move up is likely going to be a wave B, which a wave B is a correction to the wave A. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.